Hey everybody, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. We have a subscriber who sent us about 3 recipes, Kathy Mace. So we're going to try one of her recipes today. It's a coconut pie that you don't have to make a crust. It makes its own. I've never made it before. I have never seen it before. So, Kathy, I hope I do it justice. So we'll see what happens. And she just says you mix everything together and then you're going to pour it and makes 2 pies. I only have one real pie pan, so the other one is just a reusable one. So it says 2 9-inch pies. So I think this one is an 8 and this one's a 9.5. So we're just going to equal it out, I think. So first off, it says 4 eggs. So I've got 1 right there. Let's do 2 eggs. Boop. And 3. I hate that part. 3. And I hope everybody had a safe New Year. We stayed home. And number 4. Because the dog's been having seizures real bad. She's had 2 in 12 hours, so I didn't want to leave her too long by herself. All right, so we got 4 eggs there. I'm going to mix those up just a little bit. Just a little. Okay, and then we've got 1 3/4 cup of sugar. Just white sugar going in. And 3/4 cup of butter, room temperature. And 2 cups of milk. Gonna mix that up a little bit. Doesn't say any order or anything, it just says mix well. So I'm going to mix this well.
What about vanilla?
No vanilla, it doesn't say.
Huh.
And 3/4 cup of self-rising flour. Okay?
And you just put it right in the mix, huh?
Yeah. I know I've made, when I had the restaurant, we used to make peach cobbler like that all the time. You just put everything together and put the peaches on top. So mix this up, and then 2 cups of coconut, and that's it. I don't know how it's going to work, but she says it's fantastic, so we're going to give her a try. And there's the 2 cups of coconut.
I can't believe it don't call for vanilla, though.
Or pecans. I don't understand. Why not?
Yeah. I mean, you could throw some pecans in that.
I'm doing it how she gave it to me. All right. That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
That's pretty simple.
Yeah. Even you can do it, huh?
I'd mess it up.
Whoops.
Ooh.
I might mess it up, you know? Okay. Scrape that out of there. Guys, if you've made this before, let me know. I know Kathy has because she sent me the recipe. So I'm going to stick this in a 350-degree oven, and it says for 30 to 40 minutes. So we'll be back and let you know. All right, guys. The pies was in the oven. This big one was in there for 40 minutes. The smaller one was in for 35 minutes. And look at it. It's set up, and it has like its own little crust on it. It's still a little warm, but you know how we do.
It's amazing how that does that, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. It's really good, guys. For something so simple, and you know that's the kind of recipes I like. and it's good. So give this one a try. And Kathy, thanks for your recipe. And see, there's the bottom. There's the crust. You can see that there is a little bit of crust on the bottom. Now, we're going to give this a piece with some whipped cream and watch the Buckeye game. So, guys, that's what is the Rose Bowl?
Yeah.
So, wish us luck, guys. You know, OSU, go Bucks, OH,
I-O.
woo! So, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys.